Captain Badass fans who want to pay hundreds or even thousands for an autograph, I got something to eat today. It's Southern recipe, small batch, pork rinds, pineapple, Ancho Chile. It has a big taste. And Cardi B is not going to taste anything I offer her, believe me. I don't take it no skanky, talentless singers, if you know what I mean. Try this. Yeah. Oh yeah. Has that crunch. Reminds me, I step on someone, I hear the bones go soft. Southern recipe, small batch, pork rinds, fried chicharrones. The beautiful women, they can go down my bone, but instead I'll have my pork rinds. Yeah. 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 I'm the coolest. Yeah.